As of late, numerous dealers have been contemplating whether Warren Buffett has slipped. His holding organization, Berkshire Hathaway, had seen its exhibition trail the financial exchange for a lengthy period as development stocks took off while stodgier organizations were abandoned. For a period, it wasn't clear what the best Warren Buffett stocks to purchase were. In 2022, nonetheless, the tables have turned. Berkshire's more cautious portfolio has held up well while huge segments of the market have been pulverized. This has investors turning back to Berkshire's approach to look for safe haven stock picks. As of last quarter, Berkshire Hathaway's venture portfolio remembered possessions for a little north of 50 unique organizations. Thusly, it's critical to involve reasonability while picking among Buffett's possessions for the most ideal choices. The following are 7 of the best Warren Buffett stocks to buy today. Best Warren Buffett stocks. 1. Chevron, CVX. Energy costs are totally taking off in 2022 thanks to expansion and international turmoil. This mix of variables has prompted record levels of benefit for energy goliaths like Chevron. Warren Buffett has invested heavily in Chevron and other energy names as this has played out. CVX stock is presently up to the 3rd biggest generally speaking holding for Berkshire Hathaway. What's more, it's not hard to see the reason why he picked Chevron. The organization's appealing valuation, model capital distribution throughout the long term, and sound profit yield make Chevron an incredible guarded holding for current economic situations. 2. Moody's, McCo. The credit ratings industry got a bad rap during the financial crisis. In any case, don't let that previous occurrence cloud your perspective on the business today. Given that there are a couple of conspicuous evaluations organizations, there is restricted contest and lots of valuing power. Organizations like Moody's have been totally extraordinary development machines lately. Also, with the monetary framework simply proceeding to fill in size over the more drawn-out term, there are always more assets for Moody's to rate. 3. Activision Blizzard, ATV. Activision Blizzard Nasdaq ATV is a main computer game organization that is selling at an appealing valuation following its auction the year before. In any case, that is not the essential explanation Buffett as of late gotten involved with ATV stock. Rather, as Investor Place patron Joel Baglowell explained, Microsoft, Nasdaq MSFT, will procure Activision Blizzard for $95 per share in a $68.7 billion Blizzard. 4. Visa. Visa is one of the world's 2 largest credit card companies. The company, basically, fills in as a kind of worldwide expense on any kind of card-based transaction. Regularly, Visa's cut of transactions is tiny, think 0.2% or less of a purchase. 5. US Bancorp USB. Speaking of industries that Buffett knows well, banks are one more space to consider. Over the long term, Buffett has put vigorously in banks, frequently during times of emergency or extraordinary monetary vulnerability. Like in protection, when Buffett purchases a bank, it will in general be something of a mark of good housekeeping.